As we have mentioned before, Git allows us to track text files, which may be the source code of an application. So it is important for us to have a text editor that's modern, so it is easy to do our job. Certainly, you can use whatever tool you want, but in our case, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code, especially because Visual Studio Code integrates with Git, which makes our life easier. So let's come to Google, let's write download Visual Studio Code, let's come to this page, code.visualstudio.com/download. Again, we can use it on Windows, Linux, or macOS. In my case, I have a Windows machine, and therefore I can choose this one, and that will start the download. I can click on here, download, then click on here, and click on here again. Alright, so we have this wizard here. Let me say accept, next. I will just leave this as it is, next, install. Alright, so I can uncheck this, click on finish.